Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
One political party who in the beginning had raised this issue and tried to show to the region and the people that they are very, very concerned about this issue and that they will fight for this issue to the last breath. And yesterday, I received a letter from them saying that they have other pressing issues because of which they can't come for this particular issue.
Menteri Rangba Kajila Conrad ke sangma ha kasngi palai ulai khuble kerpang yau Dr. DRL Nonglat ya ka Khasi Authors Society bat ya ka Achek Authors Society ki balawanra ya ka mat Halor ka ktien ka thaliet ka jila ban itu kum ka ktien sarkar ulo ongru ba menta lala ban kren ha ki lai tli ki ktien hashwa ban sedang ya ka jingkren ya kani Menteri Rangba Kajila ula kren ha ka Jingïalang pediang buram yu Dr. DRL Nonglat Shaka National People's Party kebalapan long ha State Central Library Shillong ha ka nyotrik ujemang ar hajar apunri u Conrad ulo ong baka jingwan ai ka jingkershan ki pat ba hne ka sni yu Dr. DRL Nonglat bat kumju ya ka NPP kalong ka ba ai men sim shisha ya ka seng da ka ba benrap baka jing phai khmat ki pat ba menta sha ka NPP ka de ka jingmat ki jing ki ba ki shem da ka ba kado ki kintien ki ba u Dr. Nonglat ulapan pau Shu ha ka tega Jingïalang Menteri Rangba ula kan tho ting ru ya ka Voice of the People Party namar ka jingpep banishim benta ha ka Jingïalang ka seng san perthei balapan long ban ya kren Halor ka Kaiphod ka State Reservation Polisy balalap da ka Expert Committee
Ansuni songla ka saliko ansun ka tasan ja andeba ansuni kamchiba ansuni sokna nangke. Thank you, Dr. Nonglat. Because of you, and I repeat, because of you and the Khasi Authors Society and the Achek Literature Society, I was made to speak in all the 3 official languages before I started my rest of my speech. So since all the 3 languages are official, it is only appropriate that I at least speak one line in each of the languages. Thank you, Dr. Nonglat, for your efforts, because of which today Khasi and Garo are also official languages. Members and office bearers of the National Committee who are present out here, all the office bearers of our State Committee, all our office bearers of the frontal organizations, our official candidate, Dr. DRL Nonglat, all the supporters, leaders, workers from different parts of Khasi Jayantya region of the National People's Party, our respected Deputy Chief Ministers and Ministers, all our respected MLAs and MDCs, ladies and gentlemen. I was just informed by our working president, by Hamletson Darling. He was slightly nervous when he came to me. He said, "Sir, we had prepared this venue and arrangements for 3,000 people. But we have calculated that there are approximately 10,000 people who have come here today. And now we have to make arrangements for all the rest of the 7,000 people also. I request those who have come, please be patient. We will ensure that you are taken care of. But more importantly, the message that is there in the kind of support that we are seeing today for the candidature of Dr. DRL Nonglait and for the National People's Party is truly, truly encouraging. And friends, the reason why today more and more people are looking towards the National People's Party and are desiring to support the party is because, as Dr. Nonglait has mentioned, people of our state have gone through many phases. We have faced many difficulties and many challenges through generations, through decades. We fought many situations. We fought for our statehood. And the people of the state have realized, and they know, that for us as a state to move forward and to be able to achieve the dreams that we all have for our people and for our state is not by dividing our people and playing divisive politics. But we can only achieve our goal and move forward with our vision for our people by ensuring that we are united. And that is the purpose of this program today, to give the message to the people of the region and the state as a whole, that while there are political parties who are hell-bent on dividing the state and playing divisive politics and trying to gain political mileage by creating animosity and hatred, here there is a political party that believes in humanity, that believes in loving all communities, that believes in uniting our people and taking our state forward in the path of development. And that is the principle on which the National People's Party today is working. I'm truly honored that today we have been able to officially welcome an individual, a human being, a man who needs no introduction. Apart from being among the top 10 professors among the Khasis in Meghalaya, apart from being in the Khasi Author Society for more than 22 years, for being the president for more than 12 years, apart from being a person who fears God, whose spirituality is beyond any doubt, whose faith is unshakable, Dr. Nonglait, in one word, is a simple and a down-to-earth human being who loves his people and who loves his state, and without any form of any violence, without any form of going and creating different problems on the streets. Dr. Nonglait has set an example of commitment, of perseverance, of non-violence, and proved that if your intentions are right, if your heart is in the right place, and your determination is unshakable, we will achieve our goal one day. And today you compare. There are certain political parties who believe in street politics, who believe that creating a problem and creating violence, calling people and non-democratically or undemocratically trying to express their concerns, while you have individuals and parties like this, Dr. Nonglait stands as an example. He stands as an example to show that as a citizen of this country, as a citizen of this state, as a true Christian, as a true Kasi, I believe in ensuring that I follow principles, that I will achieve my goal. It may take me long, but I will achieve my goal through non-violence, through democratic ways, and through constitutional ways. And that is why, my dear family of the National People's Party, we are indeed truly honored and extremely lucky that today we have Dr. D.R.L. Nonglait as the official candidate for this MP by-election in Lok Sabha in Shillong seat in the form of Dr. D.R.L. Nonglait. Let's give another round of applause for this amazing blessing that has come from above. Friends, I've always believed, and I say this again and again, that we as men, as human beings, we may want many things to happen, but it is the Almighty that plans everything for us. What is happening here today in this historic moment is nothing short of God's plan. For God's plan for Shillong seat, for Khasi Jaitia region, God's plan for our parliament, God's plan for our state of Meghalaya, and God's plan for our family of the National People's Party. Friends, I truly believe that the way Dr. Nonglait has captained the ship that led to the declaration of Khasi and Garo as official languages in our state, I believe his work is only half done. It took 14 years and extreme dedication from his side to achieve the goal that he has achieved. I believe that it is God's plan that it is through Dr. Nonglait that we will be able to take our demand further to the next step in Parliament, to be able to raise the concerns and ensure that Khasi language and Garo language are brought in to the 8th schedule list of the Constitution of India. And it is our responsibility as party leaders, as party workers, and as citizens, committed citizens, citizens who believe and have faith in our people, in our culture, and are proud of our identity. It is your and my responsibility to ensure that we leave no stone unturned so that we will come victorious and Dr. D.R.L. Nonglait will come out victorious in this Lok Sabha by-election. Friends, when it comes to governance, and when it comes to overall working with central government, let us be very frank. Working along and working with the team that is in the ruling is very different from having a representative who is from the opposition. Let us be very clear. Today, with due respect to our past leaders, especially in the Shillong city, we had communicated Shillong constituency. We had communicated once or twice. We had met once or twice. And with great respect to the departed soul, we tried our best to work for the betterment of the people, especially in the parliamentary seat of Khasi Jengke Hills. But because of party differences, political differences, what we could have achieved was short of the few things that we could do. And hence, I urge the people of Khasi Jengke region, help us, work with us, so that we can have a stronger positioning along with our central government. So we can have our representative from Khasi Jengke region to work in line with the state government, so that whatever issues are taken up at Deputy CM level, at Minister's level, or at Chief Minister's level can further be taken up by our Lok Sabha representative from Khasi Jengke Hills region. And that is more a reason why we should ensure that we work tirelessly to ensure the victory of Dr. Nonglait. Yesterday, I was quite disappointed. As you're aware, that there was an expert committee that had made a report and come out with a report on the reservation issue. And based on the demands that were given by the opposition on the floor of the House, that an all-party meeting should be called to further discuss the report and deliberate on further actions that should be taken. I had called a meeting yesterday of all the political parties. But sadly, while all the other political parties attended, one political party who in the beginning had raised this issue and tried to show to the region and the people that they are very, very concerned about this issue and that they will fight for this issue to the last breath. And yesterday, I received a letter from them saying that they have other pressing issues because of which they can't come for this particular issue. Friends, as we say in English, we have to walk the talk. And as I said in the beginning, it is not just our words, it is our deeds that matter. If you love your people and if you love your land, show it in action. Show it democratically. And show it constitutionally. The government is here to serve the people. Friends, the last 8 years have not been easy for us. There is no one single issue that was there for the last 50 years that previous governments could not, with due respect, were not able to touch or resolve. But it is this NPP-led government that took the decisions, difficult decisions, took up the challenge, put the people in front, believed that it's not just words, but in our deeds and in our action that we have to show our love and our love for our people and our land. And that is why in the last 8 years, whether it's the boundary issue, whether it's the issue of having the SC certificate in GHDC, whether the simple aspects of having our own state anthem, having our own state emblem, whether it's the issue of Khasi and Garo becoming official languages. Many such issues were taken up by this NPP-led government. And therefore, my friends, I am here today to urge each and every one of you. This is our moment. I don't think any political party can have a better candidate than Dr. DRL Nonglait. A person who believes that it is deeds that matter more, a person who has walked the talk, a person who has proved himself, and a person who believes in uniting our people and not dividing. And with him as our candidature, the political party that came up step by step, piece by piece, putting one block after another together, and people seeing the commitment that the party had towards the state. Our friends from other political parties joined us. In the last 12 to 13 years, our party has grown from strength to strength, not because of any individual, but because in the National People's Party, we are a family, we are united, and we ensure that we keep our people before any personal interest or any personal action. For us, it is our deeds that matter. And today, if we were able to bring this candidate and this party together, I believe this is our moment. And I know that with the hard work that each one of you will put in, we will win this election. We will win this election. But for us to be able to do that, we cannot rest. We cannot even lose a single day. And each one of us sitting here has to be a true worker of the party. There are times in the political party when we ourselves start pointing fingers at each other. You will see in different party meetings or in offices, gossiping will start. Oh, that person, that is very bad. He doesn't do like that. I don't know why he's not. How can we be a united force? I'm not saying everybody does this. But somewhere along the line, as human beings, we do tend to slip. We do tend to come out with one or two comments. Let us refrain. Let us ensure that every word that comes out of our mouth, when we talk about our leaders, our colleagues, our party, our state, our government, should be a positive note. When you're sitting in a wedding, when you're sitting in a small meeting in your village, in your locality, that is the moment you will show your true color and your commitment towards the National People's Party. I want all the 10,000 people who are present here today to tell themselves that I will not rest in the next 90 days till this election, or whichever date this election is done, that every single day I will touch 10, 15, 20 people, and I will campaign for Dr. Dr. Nong Lai. I will campaign for the party. Keep a note of it. Maintain what you are doing. What are the issues? Share it with your leaders. And ensure that there is a grassroots mechanism to ensure that we are able to move at all different levels to ensure that this campaign becomes a full grassroots campaign all the way to every single village, every single polling station. Once again, I thank each and every one of you present out here. I also would like to thank our little sisters. What an amazing performance. Let us give them another round of applause. I have requested our state president. They could write and compose a song for the National People's Party. I'll be the happiest person, purely on professional terms. You are a professional group, but on a professional terms, I would urge in front of 10,000 people that if you could do that for us, I'll be the happiest person. As I said, nothing political, purely professional. Once again, I welcome Dr. Dr. Nong Lai to our family, and let me assure you on behalf of every member that, Doctor, we are behind you. We will work day and night. We will leave no stone unturned. And from today till your election, I repeat, only till your election. After that, again, I will take my original position. But till the election, I am your worker. I am your worker. I am not the national president. I will work behind you. I will stand behind you. And I will work like a common worker of the party, not as a national president. I will do my role as national president. But if I have to pick up the chairs and put the chairs on the side, if I have to hoist the flag, if I have to stick the poster, I will do it for you. I will do it for you, Doctor. And that is the spirit with which we will have to move each and every single family member of the National People's Party. And it is only then will we come out victorious in this election.